Hi, and welcome to MAT0029 Developmental Mathematics for Statistics and Liberal Arts. Please read through this orientation page and the syllabus over here for details relating to the course structure, expectations, and suggestions for how to succeed in the class. In this orientation video, I will be walking you through the navigation of this course. As part of the expectations for this class, you'll be required to take 2 proctored exams. These can be taken for free at any HCC testing center or online using ProctorU for a fee. Once you've completed watching this orientation video, reading this introduction page, and reading the syllabus, please let your instructor know where you plan to take your exams. You must let your instructor know by the end of the first week of classes or you will be withdrawn from the class. You can always change your mind later by sending your instructor an email. At the bottom of each week's lessons, you will see a Next button. The next button on the bottom of this page will bring you to the orientation quiz, which is where you can select which testing center you would like to take your exam. And then you would just click Submit Quiz at the bottom of the page. At any time, you can click the Home or Syllabus menu buttons on the left to bring you back to the home page. From this home page, if you scroll down, you can quickly access each week's lessons by clicking these links. Alternatively, if you left a lesson before completing it, you can jump right back to where you left off by clicking the Modules menu button. I will demonstrate this in a few minutes. On the right, you can see a list of upcoming tasks to be completed, the calendar, and how your grade is calculated. You can also view how your grade is calculated on the official syllabus. On the bottom, there is a list of graded tasks. However, I recommend that you ignore this section, as they are not organized in any kind of logical order, and you'll be skipping the lessons required to understand these assignments. Let's start off by exploring week 1. When I click on week 1, you will see a quick summary of the tasks that should be completed for the week and links that will bring you directly to the various lessons. If you click Next, this will bring you directly to lesson 1.1, or I can just click Next and that will do that as well. Here you will see a list of objectives, so you know what skills you should be learning during this week's lesson. Click Next and we can start the lesson. Each lesson has explanations and examples. Some of the lessons will have videos as well. You may wish to take short notes during the lessons in your notebook so you don't forget important concepts. After most lectures, there will be a graded activity, so you can assess your understanding of the lesson's concepts. You can keep redoing this activity until you receive 100%. Again, you may wish to take notes so you can use it to study later. Each lesson goes right into the next by clicking the Next button. However, you can stop at any time and pick up where you left off by either going through the links of the home page or through modules. By clicking on modules, you can jump to any lesson or activity, allowing you to pick up where you left off or some other point if you'd like to repeat an exercise already done or if you'd like to peek ahead. You can view your grades on each activity by clicking on Grades. Since most activities and homework can be redone until you receive full credit, checking on your grades will be useful throughout the term to ensure success. Another menu option on the left are discussions. You can click this link to post in the weekly discussions, view new posts in those weekly discussions, or communicate with your classmates by asking and answering questions in the Ask a Question section. To ask a question or to reply to somebody else's post, you just click the reply button right here. After years of development, I'm very excited to be offering this course online. I hope you will find this class to be an enjoyable learning experience. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor, and have a great semester.